go! Climb aboard! Splash hops into his little wooden boat, wobbling side to side.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Hi there, I'm Freddy. Hey there, got room for one more? Freddy, come on in, the more the merrier. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Look! It's Della the duck and her babies crossing the river.
5 little ducklings! Let's count together, friends. 1, 3.
Thank you so much for helping.
Quack, quack!
Thank you for waiting, friends. Enjoy your row.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Whoa, hold on tight! Here comes a wiggly wave!
That was fun! Ribbit again!
Ribbit! That was fun! Let's do a frog dance to celebrate!
Careful, Freddy! Sit back down! We are gonna tip over!
Now the river turns calm and smooth, like glass beneath the sky.
Look, Freddy! I can see Bloop Town's rooftops in the water!
Life is but a dream.
Row, row your boat.
All the way to shore.
We made it! Thanks for rowing with me today, Freddy.
That was the best river ride ever! Same time tomorrow? Bye, Freddy. See you tomorrow for another row.
Let's sing our rowing song one more time, all together now. Thanks for rowing with us today. Which Bloop Town friend should Splash visit next? Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new adventure every week. See you next time, friends.